In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cast Brave Browser to TV. Welcome to this easy-to-follow Brave Browser tutorial. If you'd like to enjoy web content, videos, presentations, or websites on a larger screen, casting Brave Browser to your TV is a great solution. By connecting your computer and TV through the same network, you can quickly display your browser content on a bigger screen for a more comfortable viewing experience. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start casting from Brave Browser in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Before opening any settings, make sure your TV or Chromecast device and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is an important requirement because Brave needs to detect compatible casting devices on the network before it can establish a connection. If the devices are connected to different networks, the casting option may not work correctly or your TV may not appear in the available device list. Once you've confirmed that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, launch the Brave browser on your computer. Allow the browser to load completely before continuing to the next step. Next, click the three horizontal line menu located in the upper right corner of the Brave browser window. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open Brave's Settings page, where you'll be able to configure browser features and adjust various options. Inside the Settings area, navigate to Extensions. This section contains browser components and features that enhance Brave's functionality. Once you're there, look for the Media Router option. Verify that Media Router is enabled. This feature is responsible for allowing Brave Browser to discover and communicate with compatible casting devices such as smart TVs and Chromecast receivers. After confirming that Media Router is turned on, return to the main browser window. Click the three horizontal line menu again and scroll through the available options until you find Save and Share. Open this section to reveal additional browser tools and utilities. Within the Save and Share menu, click Cast. Brave will begin searching for available casting devices connected to your network. After a moment, you'll see a list of compatible TVs and Chromecast devices that can receive the cast. Select your TV or Chromecast device from the list. Once the connection is established, Brave will begin casting your content. Depending on the available options, you may be able to share your current browser tab or your entire desktop. Your selected content will then appear on your TV screen, allowing you to view it on a much larger display. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully cast Brave Browser to your TV and can now enjoy your browsing experience on the big screen. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.